Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to display email address from employees names. Here employee name and email address column are given and I want to display email address from employee's name. Just like numan.ahmad@gmail.com, faisal.said@gmail.com. How can we perform this task? Just type here email address in small caps. Just type Numan dot Ahmad @gmail.com and I want to display all the email address from employees first name and last name. Just select all the email address column and press Ctrl E. It will get all the email address from employee's name. You can see here. Just press Ctrl Z for undo. You can perform this task to another trick just like this. Just drag it to the bottom. It will display all the email address same. And here is the option auto fill option. Just click here and select the flash fill. It will display all the email address from employee's name. Just press Ctrl Z for undo. You can perform this task through third tricks. Just select email address column and here is the option flash fill. It will get all the email address from employee's name. This is a very good trick to perform this task. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.